Hello students, my name is Mohinder Singh from Diet Kangra. Today I am going to take up the topic the need, importance and role of grammar in learning a language. So after the completion of this particular topic, the students are expected to know what is grammar needed or necessary to learn a language, importance of grammar in learning a language, and finally the role of grammar. Let's look at the definition of grammar. This is the dictionary definition of grammar. It goes like this. It says, the grammar is the whole system and structure of language or of languages in general, usually taken as consisting of syntax and morphology, including inflections, and sometimes also phonology and semantics. According to this definition, grammar is a system. It includes syntax. Syntax is the arrangement of words in sentences, clauses and phrases, and the study of the formation of the sentences and relationship of the component parts. As you know that there are different components of sentences. It includes morphemes. Morphemes make words. Words make phrases, and then clauses. So the arrangement of these different components of sentences is called syntax. And then comes morphology. What is morphology? Morphology is the study of words, how they are formed and their relationship to other words. It also includes inflections, the change in the form of words, usually the addition of endings, to mark such distinctions as tense, person, number, gender, etc. And then comes, it is also sometimes phonology. Phonology is the sound system, the pronunciation part of the language. And then comes semantics, which is concerned with the meaning of words. Now look at the definition of grammar from different perspective, from different angle. It says, grammar is the system of a language. People sometimes describe grammar as the rules. They suggest that somebody created the rules first and then spoke the language, like a new game. But languages did not start like that. Languages started by people making sounds which evolved into words, phrases and sentences. No commonly spoken language is fixed. All languages change over time. It means that language is not something which is static. Language change over time, and with this change comes the change in the rules of the grammar. Now let's talk about, do we need grammar? क्या हमें ग्रामर को जानने की, लर्न करने की आवश्यकता होती है जब हम कोई लैंग्वेज को लर्न करते हैं, फॉरेन लैंग्वेज को या सेकंड लैंग्वेज को? What we call grammar is simply a reflection of a language at a particular time. Do we need to study grammar to learn a language? The short answer is no. We don't need to study grammar if we are learning a language. Many people in the world speak their own native language without having studied its grammar. Children start to speak before even they know the word grammar, as they learn their mother tongue. But if you are serious about learning a foreign language, the long answer is yes, then grammar is very much needed. Grammar can help you to learn a language more quickly and more efficiently. When we learnt our mother tongue, for example, did our parents sit us down as toddlers and teach us the grammar rules of our language? Of course not. A child learns his mother tongue in a natural way. If people are immersed in, totally surrounded by the language they are intending to learn, especially being at a younger age, then acquiring or picking up the language without any formal learning is possible and quite common. But in case of second language learning, this is not so. If we go to the country of the language we wish to learn, we will hopefully acquire a lot of the language naturally. Its vocabulary, we will be able to acquire idioms, slang and so on. But when it comes to putting language together to make coherent sentences, the sentences with the senses, then grammar is absolutely important. Making grammatical mistakes when we speak or write is a natural part of learning a language, and this is fine. But to improve our production skills, that is writing and speaking, learning grammar is essential. Grammar is the building blocks of any language and necessary for us to convey what we want to say properly. So it's important to think of grammar as something that can help you, like a friend. When you understand the grammar or system of a language, you can understand many things yourself without having to ask a teacher or look in a book. So think of grammar as something positive, something that you can use to find your way, like a signpost or a map. Now let's talk about the importance of grammar in learning a language. Why grammar is important when you are learning a foreign language. In this case, the English language. So why is grammar important? Well, because it saves lives. Just consider the difference between these two sentences. The first sentence is let's eat grandma and let's eat grandma. If you observe in these sentences, the second sentence does not use the punctuation mark comma, and because of that the whole of the meaning of the sentence is changed. With the first one, you are inviting your grandma over for a lovely meal. The second one, on the other hand, sounds like you are excited about cannibalism. You want to eat your grandma. So this is what can happen if you use improper grammar in learning a language. So jokes aside, speaking and writing with good grammar is often overlooked as being unnecessary. Some people argue that as long as they are being understood, it should not matter if they have a few grammatical errors. The problem with this line of thinking is that it fundamentally ignores the benefits enjoyed by someone who uses proper grammar. Hence, grammar is very important for learning a language. Its next importance is good grammar makes you easier to understand. The first and foremost reason for editing your writing and thinking about your grammar when you are speaking is that it makes you easier to understand. And then, while a grammar error may seem insignificant to the person writing an article or blog, think about it from the reader's point of view. Even a small grammatical or spelling error has the power to disrupt the flow of your writing and cause your reader to disengage with the content. They would no longer want to read your blogs. Next, when you speak and write grammatically, you can be confident that your message is being understood without any misinterpretations. Having a strong grasp of English grammar will help improve your English skills overall. For example, when you have learned the grammatical rules governing sentence construction, it becomes easier for you to express your ideas. Over time, being able to speak and write correctly builds your confidence while speaking English. This encourages you to develop a rich vocabulary so that you have the tools to communicate with others. Another important reason for practicing good grammar is that it increases your credibility. Think about your attitude towards a newspaper or online magazine that has errors in its articles. You would no longer want to read these newspapers and magazines with errors. The same is true on a personal level. In fact, when you are applying for a job, the chances are high that you won't get an interview if there are errors in your resume or cover letter. Your writing represents who you are. If there are careless mistakes, then it appears to the reader that you don't care about your work. This makes them less likely to trust you and destroys your credibility. Its next importance is it improves the skill of expression. Communication is a skill which can be learned. People must learn how to communicate well so that they express themselves in a successful manner. A child observes communication between his parents, other people around him, and then imitating them. Importance of good grammar is the essence of every language. Grammatical competence is also a part of language competence. Hence, to obtain an effective communication skill, the learner should pay attention to grammar. Now, let's look at some of the reasons why you need to use correct grammar when you speak or write. First point is, using proper grammar helps you to think logically and distinctly. You will develop effective communication skills. It will improve your fluency in the language. It is very beneficial when you are applying for a job. Not being able to pass a message clearly can diminish your organization's name. Poor usage of grammar can give a negative impression about you. It helps you to build a reputation as a professional. Now let's talk about the role of grammar in learning a language. In linguistics, grammar is the set of structural rules which influences the composition of clauses, phrases and words in any given language. It is the systematic study and description of a language, and it helps us to understand how words and their component parts combine to form sentences. Some people think that correct English grammar matters only to teachers and is of no real importance in daily life. This is certainly not true. Grammar, regardless of the country or the language, is the foundation for communication. Grammar rules can help learners develop the habit of thinking logically and clearly. After studying grammar, learners are able to become more accurate when using a language. Without good grammar, clear communication is impossible. Grammar improves the development of fluency. When a person has learned grammar, it will be easier for that person to know how to organize and express the ideas in their mind without difficulty. As a result, they will be able to speak, read and write the language more fluently. A person can't learn a foreign language accurately only through a process of unconscious assimilation. Grammar is a sure ground for reference when linguistic habits fail us. So grammar is indispensable for the student. So with this, we come to the end of this topic. Thank you so much.